Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet flower hair clip, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. To make that a crochet flower hair clip, I will use Elise Rico Essential yarn with 2 layers as shown now, and hook number 2.5 millimeter and a metal clip like that. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as usual, then make 13 chains, then turn and skip first chain, then make single crochet into next chain from the hook, and repeat making single crochet into every stitch across that row. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make 3 single crochet stitches into last chain as shown now, and turn around, then make single crochet into every stitch across that row, and make 3 single crochet stitches into last stitch and close with slip stitch to close round 1. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 1 with the shape. Then I will start round 2. I will make 2 chains, then make double crochet into every stitch until I arrive to the rounding stitches as shown now. Now I arrive to the rounding stitches. Then I will make 2 double crochet into every stitch of that 3 rounding stitches, 2 double crochet into same stitch to have 6 double crochet into that 3 stitches as shown now. I hope that obvious for you. Now I finished that rounding stitches. Then I will make double crochet into every stitch around that row and turn around and make 2 double crochet into every stitch for the rounding stitches as shown now. And then close with slip stitch to finish that round. Then I will start round 3. I will make a chain and make single crochet into every stitch until I arrive to the rounding stitches as shown now. Then I will make 2 single crochet into every stitch for the rounding stitches to have 12 single crochet stitches as shown now for the rounding stitches. Then turn around and continue making single crochet into every stitch until arrive to the rounding stitches of the opposite side, and make 2 single crochet stitches into next 6 stitches and close with slip stitch to close the round 3 with the chain. Then I will cut our yarn and fasten off. Then I will make the flowers for that crochet hair clip. I will use a blue yarn and make a magic ring as shown now. Then make 3 chains. And make 3 double crochet into that magic ring. Then make 2 chains and make slip stitch into that magic ring to finish that flower petal. Then start new petal, so I will make 2 chains and make 3 double crochet into that magic ring again. and make 2 chains, then make slip stitch into that magic ring and repeat same thing for third time. So I will make 2 chains and make 3 double crochet into same magic ring, then make 2 chains and make slip stitch to have 3 petals as shown now. Then close that magic ring to finish that flower, then cut our yarn and fasten off as shown now. Then I will use the green yarn and the tapestry needle to make a line into the middle of that crochet unit as shown now. Now I finished a lines for that crochet unit and made 3 blue flowers, and I have that beads, so I will join the flowers and beads with the tapestry needle with our crochet unit with the shape. I will join them and I'll come back. Then I will join that cloth layer with the metal clip and crochet unit with the pastry needle as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that crochet flower hair clip and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.